Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Look at this room. Woo, this is so cool. If I had this kind of room when I was a kid, I would be very happy. I spent 2 weeks working on this mural, not because it was huge or complicated, but because life. I was busy, I had a baby, I could only paint a little at a time. But I really wanted to do this for my daughter. But first of all, this is the paint I use. So it's acrylic paint set with acrylic paints on waterproof for stones, wood, paper. Oh my god. Anyway, so previously there was a huge tiger head picture like wallpaper on this wall, but then my husband took it off and painted it light blue. I started to make sketch with pencil and I had the reference picture, but then I realized I don't have so much paint to follow the reference, so I decided to follow my imagination. I am not a professional, by the way. That's why I was very nervous making it, because I didn't want to make any mistakes since it's hard to cover it if I make any. So I filled this wall with a flying swan, clouds, mushrooms, sunlight, basically a little fantasy world she can grow up with. While I painted, my daughter was right there with me, not just watching, but moving, climbing, bouncing around on the bed, commenting in her baby language, pointing at the wall, reacting to every color and shape I added. It wasn't quiet or peaceful, it was messy, loud, and full of energy, but it made the whole process feel alive. Sometimes I had to stop and check on her or take a break to play or feed her. So yeah, this mural took days, but in between the chaos I kept painting. Layer by layer, the world on the wall started to grow. A flying swan between the clouds, soft sunshine, mushroom houses, and little pieces of magic. It wasn't perfect. I made changes, I repainted parts, but every stroke had love in it, and every minute she spent in the room seeing her mother create something just for her, that's what made it worth it. The white paint was not really pigmented, so I repainted the white parts with wall paint I found in basement. I used 2 colors for the sun, not because I'm artsy or something, but I ran out of the yellow paint. I used to draw actually. You can see my arts on my Instagram, Arts by Socha. But this thing right here is different. I used to draw only black and white on a paper using pen with like dark style, and this is totally the opposite of what I usually do. It's huge on the wall, colorful, using paint and brush, children fantasy style. Like nothing's mysterious about this, but I'm glad I finished it, stayed in its style. I used big black marker at the end to make outline of every object I made. It was the easiest process because I didn't need to overthink, the paint would drop because it's just marker. So this is the result, guys. Let me know, what do you think about the result? Do you like the result, the color and everything? Do you have any experience to make mural too? Do you think I can make a business in Germany? Let me know what do you think. And by the way, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.